Welcome to Anchors Away, our video newsletter. Today we'd like to speak to you about the importance of air conditioning maintenance during the COVID crisis. We've been asked a lot lately, is it necessary and can it wait? It's always your choice to have work done in your home, and we totally respect that you might have fears about letting workers into your home. We do not want you to do anything that makes you uncomfortable. Maintenance of home comfort systems does fall under the definition of essential services. When deciding whether or not maintenance is right for you and right now, please keep the following in mind. Maintenance helps prevent breakdowns. Well-maintained units last longer and break down less than units that are not maintained. Maintenance on central air units has a great impact on efficiency, much more than maintenance on furnaces does. Dirty air conditioning coils and filters will impact your central air more than it will impact a furnace. If you experience a breakdown this summer, things are going to be a little bit different than in the past. Operating under COVID conditions means that things just take longer. We have to take more time cleaning between calls. Parts are harder to obtain as our suppliers have moved to a curbside pickup routine and requiring us to place the orders before and pick them up as opposed to just walking into the locations and getting them like we used to. Our new equipment supply chains have become slower. So getting a new air conditioner in to replace a broken one may take a little longer. This year it will be harder for you to do things while you're waiting for a repair than you used to. Going to a movie to stay cool, staying with friends or family, or even hanging out at the mall or beach during a heat wave may not be possible. In many areas, escaping to the cottage is not going to be allowed, and you might find yourself in an uncomfortable home. A breakdown in the heating season is easier to deal with, as most homes that we service have a fireplace or you can use space heaters. Most people do not have a backup air conditioning system to rely on while waiting. Rest assured that, under whatever circumstances, if you have a breakdown this summer, the team here at Anchor will do everything in our power to keep you comfortable. However, we don't know what the next few weeks or months are going to bring. The old saying goes, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Well, that certainly applies here. The more units that we can run and test before the first heat wave hits, the better prepared you will be and the better prepared we will be to keep you comfortable. Doing maintenance now is our way of flattening the curve and avoiding problems later. We are taking precautions to protect our frontline staff and your home's occupants during maintenance calls. If you're comfortable, we're ready, and we'd like to see you soon.